Hello students, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our mathematics class. Students, I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. In last week we have learned multiplication, and that time I have told you to learn multiplication tables. So all of you have sent audio of multiplication tables and it is very good. Students, just keep it up. Every day say multiplication tables 2 to 10. Okay, then it will get easy to multiply. Okay students, so in last week we learned about multiplication and we learned that multiplication is like addition only addition is take more time to get answer, and in multiplication table you can get answer fast. Okay, so now we will solve some example. Okay, can you see 6, this is called multiplication sign. 6 into 5, 6 multiplied by 5. So we have learned that 6 into 5 means you have to say table of 6, correct, till 5, 6 5s are. Say multiplication table of 6 till 6 5s are. So let's start. Just say with me. Okay, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24 and 6 5s are 30. Correct? So here you will write answer 6 5s are 30. Correct? Students, now say next example. 5 into 6. What is the question? 5 into 6. Means you have to say table of 5 till 5 6s are. Take 6 fingers and you have to say table of 5. Let's start. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25 and 5 6s are 30. So students, can you see here? What is the answer? 30. 6 into 5 is also 30 and 5 into 6 is also 30. And students, one more thing, that answer is called, what answer we get after multiplication is called product. What it is called? Product. So this is the product. Okay. So student, you can see here product is same, that is 30. Correct? Only digits are changed, means their order is changed. First 6 and then 5, and here order is changed. 5 into 6 means there are only 2 digits, 5 and 6. But in first example it is 6 into 5 and in another example it is 5 into 6. Okay. So student, just remember, if we change the order of digit, then also product will be same. Listen again. If we change the order of digit, then also you will get a same product. We will see one more example, then you will come to know. 3 into 8 and here 8 into 3 means places are changed. Here 3 first and then 8 means 8 is multiplied by 3 and 8 is multiplied by 3. Correct? 3 into 8, 8 into 3. So first say table of 3 till 3 8s are. So let's start. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21 and 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. And here say the table of 8 till 8 3s are. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 8 3s are 24. Can you see here? Product is same. 24 24. Only their places are changed. 3 into 8, here 8 into 3. So students, if we change the places, then also we get same product. So student, what to remember, if the question is 3 into 8, no need to say, so 3 into 8 and 8 into 3, that time Suppose question is 3 into 8. No need to say table of 3 till 3 8s are. You can say 8 3s are also. Which is easy? 3 8s are is easy or 8 3s are is easy. That you decide. Okay. You can do 3 into 8. Means say table of 3 till 3 8s are. Or you can do 8 3s are. Okay. You will get answer same. Means product will be same. Did you understand, students? Okay. Just observe carefully and then we will see next example. Okay, student? Now see next example. Can you see here? 6 into 0. 6 multiplied by 0. So students, means what? You have to add 6 0 time. Means what will be the answer? Answer will be 0 only. Correct? 6 into 0, answer is 0. And 0 into 4, if we multiply 0, means if we add 0 4 times. In last video we have learned that 0 into 4 means what? You have to add 0 4 times. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. What will be the answer? 0 only. Correct? 6 into 0, 0 and 0 into 4 is also 0. So student, just remember, if we multiply any number by 0, then answer will be 0. Or if we multiply 0 by any number, then also answer will be 0. So just remember, if there is a 0, one of the numbers is 0, then answer will be 0 in multiplication. Okay? See here. 6 into 0 is equal to 0 and 0 into 4 is also 0. So again I am telling, see the first, here if we change the order of digits, then also product will be same. And here if we multiply any number by 0, then answer will be 0. Or if we multiply 0 by any number, then also answer will be 0 only. For example, see, 5 into 0, 0. Then 0 into 3, 0 only. Did you understand, student, these two properties? Okay. Now we will see some more examples. Students, now in next example we are going to see some new terms. Okay. See here. 6 into 5 is equal to 30. Correct? Means here we are multiplying 6 by 5. And here we are multiplying 5 by 6. So student, the first digit, that is 6, is called multiplicand. So here 6 is called multiplicand. See the spelling? M-U-L-T-I, multiplicand. P-L-I-C-A-N-D, multiplicand. The next digit means you are multiplying by 5 into 5 means multiplying by 5. That 5 is called multiplier. M-U-L-T-I, multiplier. P-L-I-E-R, multiplier. And answer is called product. So here 30 is called product. P-R-O-D-U-C-T. So these are three new terms. Okay. Multiplicand, multiplier, and answer is called product. So in first example, 6 is multiplicand, 5 is multiplier, and product is equal to 30. But here product is same, but multiplicand and multipliers are changed. Here 5 is multiplicand. You can see here this is multiplicand and 6 is multiplier. Here also same. Multiplicand, multiplier, product. Okay. Here it is changed. This is multiplicand, means here 8 is multiplier, but here 8 is multiplicand. Multiplicand, multiplier, and product. You just remember sequence. First is multiplicand, next is multiplier, and last answer is called product. Okay, students. Again we will revise. Multiplicand, multiplier, product. And here 5 is multiplicand, 6 is multiplier, and 30 is product. Okay, students. So in this way we learn multiplicand, multiplier and product. Product means what? Answer. So students, we learn two rules, that is, if we change places of multiplicand and multiplier, then also product will be same. That is the first rule. And second one is, if we multiply any number by 0, then answer will be 0. Students, I hope you have understood these very well. Okay. So I will give you page number, and that page number exercise you have to solve today, and that is your homework. Thank you.